Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, you already know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be trying on robes. I love me a robe and I love me a slipper. Like, I have to have slippers. Doesn't matter where I'm going. If I go on vacation, if I go out of town, even if I buy slippers while I'm out of town, I'm still going to buy, like, I still have to walk around in slippers because I don't like walking around on the bare floor with my bare feet. There's pores in your feet. You can get sick and you absorb everything through your feet. I don't want to get sick. I make my son put slippers on too. I have 3 pair of robes. Let's go ahead and jump to this video because y'all know I can ramble. Before I start this video, small update. Yeah, I got my bottom retainer and that shit fucking hurts. Like, I think that the way she shaved it down, it's like a metal piece that's sticking out. So like, I can't even put the retainers on. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump to these robes because y'all know I can ramble. I don't know if I should stand right here or if I should stand back here. This is the first robe. You already know my favorite color is blue. It has flowers on it, if y'all can see. It's silk, it's see-through. If you're up close enough, if you have no clothes on, you can see under. You can't see it on the camera, but in person, like if you have nothing on, you have stuff on, you can still see the color or the nude. The tag says it's from Joe Intimates. It's one size. The material is polyester. It's 100% polyester, and it's made in Hong Kong. I actually got this robe from the thrift store. Maybe I've had this robe for a minute. I think maybe back in 2016. And again, I love silk robes. Silk robes are very light, very airy. They're sexy. It's more appealing to the eye to me. It gets very grown. I'm gonna make some food. I'm about to clean my house. Wrong woman type vibe. That's how I look if I was to tie it. I don't know where the string is though. That's where I look. Like if you was to close it, that's where I look. It has a thicker material on the trim or the rim of the robe, whatever you want to call it. I feel like these type of robes are good for after hot showers and you don't want to get dressed like immediately. It's like the air will come through it without you like walking through the house in the nude if other people live with you or if you have children. I said it was a one size fit all, so if you're plus size or if you're very, very, very petite or if you are just a regular thickness, it's gonna fit everybody. The short sleeves, I'm pretty sure they have long sleeves. I don't know, I never even looked at the website that it came from. I just got it from the thrift store and that's where I just knew it came from. So after this video, I'm gonna actually look this website up for y'all and I'm gonna put the link below just so y'all have the correct spellings of the actual website. I love this robe. Like this is one of my favorite robes. I have another one that's green. It's silk. I like that one too. So it's definitely gonna be a 10. It's gonna be a 10 out of 10. I love the color, the material. I don't feel like it will cling to my body straight after a shower or even if it's hot. Perfect size, big length. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. This is the front. Yes, the side. So this robe is the same type of material, but it's a little thicker. It also has flowers on it as well. And as y'all can see this one, you can see that it's see-through. Because y'all can see my body and my clothes through it. I was trying to look at the tag to see where it actually came from. And the tag, I guess whoever had it, I got this one from the thrift store as well. But I guess whoever had it before ripped that tag off. So I can't even tell y'all where this robe actually even came from. This one is longer. And y'all already know I always have to try something red on. Look how immediately red just makes my skin super bronze. The melanin, the brownness, the blackness just comes out. I just love red on my body. This one has a belt attached to it. It's connected to this part of the robe and then the side of the robe. When you close it, you squeeze up. It needs to have strings on the inside so you can tie it for more security. The blue one has both strings on the inside. It comes undone. Those 2 inside robe pieces will keep it like this instead of like exposing your whole, you know, what you got going on. The sleeves on this one is way longer. Sleeves have a crisscross type of design on the side. It's very light, it's very airy. It gives like Chinese, I'm gonna try to put a picture. I love how that Chinese look looks, you know what I'm saying? But every time I wear this robe, that's what it reminds me of. This robe by any means is not for one. This is to be cute, dainty, that type of vibe. If you are cold, baby, this is not gonna do it. The blue one is not gonna do it. This is after shower if you're a hot person and you want to cool off type vibe. This is cleaning your house type vibe. This is lounging around type vibe. Cooking, baking. Do not go reach for no silk robe, lace robe, satin robe and think you're gonna be warm, because I can feel just about any breeze that comes through this goddamn robe. This is the front. This is the front open. This is the front closed. Side kind of like a grandma, but you know, it's from the back. So this is what I'm trying to show y'all, that it's super long. It reaches to the back of my ankle. When you start walking and your robe gets to flowing, you cannot tell me I'm not that girl in that robe. This robe 10 out of 10, actually 11 out of 10. I just love how this thing makes me feel overall. Hey, that was the red robe. Y'all tell me how y'all like it. Thank you, hype me up. And we're gonna go to the last robe, y'all. Last but not least, y'all know I had to get me a robe that had fur around the trim. Are you a bad bitch if you don't have a satin silk lace robe with fur around another collar, down the sleeves, around the wrist and the floor? Girl, bye. I think it's one size fit all. I got this one from Amazon. Look at this. This by far is my favorite robe. I actually did a photo shoot in this one. I actually want to do another photo shoot in this robe. I ain't gonna lie, because I feel like the first one, it ate, but it didn't eat how it needs to eat. The black one also makes my skin color pop as well. It's sheer, it's not silk, and it's very see-through, as you can see. But this one makes me feel like a rich auntie. It gives like mover vibes. It definitely gives, oh yeah, she got some kids. Yeah, I like this one. I love looking at myself in this robe. I might even do a photo shoot in the house, cause what? I got it from Amazon maybe 2 or 3 years ago, y'all. I can dig to see if I can find a link to this one. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $40, $50. It probably was cheaper. I can't remember. I'm also gonna slide some videos in here somewhere at some point to show y'all my photo shoot. I feel like you could walk around in it if you have others in your house, but you need to be fully clothed underneath. But this is, as y'all can see, it's very see-through. Very see-through. Like it drags the floor. With this robe, I feel like I need to go put my furry heels on and click-clack through the house. I feel like I need some nail. I need my nails done with a whole bunch of rings on, a necklace, some body glitter, some body spray, all that. This robe, you'll probably end up having a kid. Okay? In about 9 months, this robe is gonna get you in a lot of trouble, okay? Look at this. I ain't even modeling the other ones. The only thing I will say about this is that it doesn't shake crazy, you know what I mean? I'm really just describing how long the robe is. Sometimes when I did wear this robe and I stopped, I would step on it, a little bit of feathers will pop off at the bottom just because it's super, super long. I'm only 5'3", so maybe if you're like 5'7", it won't be as long as it is on me. I would definitely give this robe a 10 out of 10. I love the colors, I love the feathers, I love the design. I love how strong and sexy it makes me feel. The length on the arms, it's not so heavy like the average robe. I love how this one just makes me feel, period. From the front, relax. This robe does not come with a bow tie, so there's that. Love, love, love. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Y'all let me know how I looked in this robe down below in the comments. I need y'all to like and I need y'all to comment to spice me up, okay? Okay, y'all, so those are all the robes that I'm gonna be trying on today. Thank you so much for getting this far in the video because the views are important. You guys are important. I'm so thankful because I was struggling at 43 subscribers. I am now at almost 15K subscribers, even though I could be further. Not being so consistent, but you know, I'm getting there. I would like to thank all my new and old subscribers. If you're new here, first of all, welcome home, baby, because you ain't going nowhere else. If you're a returning subscriber, we locked in, okay? Please engage, send a like, drop a comment, whatever you need to do, please, I need it. Engagement is key. If you know but you don't know, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you know every time I'm on your screen. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you really care, pussy nigga, write a letter. Ryan solo and I'm still in the group. Biggest in my